Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, Lisa and I are on the Carnival Conquest. We're on the upper deck, which is deck 6. Now this is a passenger cabin deck. It's all cabins. So we are going to stay to the right, and we're going to show you where your cabin is in relationship to the stairs and elevators here. We're in the front of the ship right now. Now, if you've never seen us do one of these videos, I can't turn the camera around to show you all the numbers. If I did, you'd get seasick. So I'm going to call them out and point them out. Right? And do us a huge favor. When you see or hear your number called, leave a comment below and let us know when you're sailing on the Carnival Conquest. All right, here we are. 62, 71, 62, 69, 67, crew door, and another access to the stairs. 65, 63, 61, 59, 57, 55, 53, 51, 49, 47, 45, 43, 41, 39, 37, 35, 33, 31, 29, 27, 25, 23. Access to the other side of the ship, which we're sure going to use in just a minute. 62, 21, 219, 217, 15, 11, crew door. 209, 6207. Now, we can't get out, well, we can get out there, but it's pitch black. You're not going to see much, but we'll do a different video. There's some cool hidden spaces right here at the very front of the ship. Okay, 6205. Oh, we can't cut across here. 6203, 6201, 6202, 6204, 6206, 6208, crew door. Again, that leads out to a public space that is the very front of the ship. Another one of those hidden gems. Crew door, 6210, 212, 214, 16, 18. Again, access to the other side of the ship right here. Let's make sure we don't miss any cabins in here. Don't think there are any, but you just never know. Crew area. Nope. Okay. Just wanted to be sure. Newer ships, there's cabins there. Again, 6218, 220, 22, 24, 26, 28, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, crew door, access to the forward elevators and stairs, 266, 268, again another entrance to the forward elevators and stairs, 270, crew door, 72, 74, 76. This is also access to the midship elevators and stairs. I'm not sure why these are closed. Could be for noise for these cabins, because it can get kind of loud down there. So at least they're keeping these closed. 276, 78, 8, crew door, 82. Right? See, if you don't pay attention, there's inside cabins here. 6286. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to run down here and capture all of these and then come right back here. Okay, these are the odds. 6287, 289, 291, 293, 295, 297, 299, 301, 303, again deck 6, so 6305, 307, and with the, I think this is the midship elevators and stairs. Again, I don't want to miss Lisa, so we're just going to backtrack so we don't miss any of the cabins. Okay. This is right where we left off here. 62, 82, 84. Yeah, 84, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 6300, 302, 304, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 56. Again, midship elevators and stairs. And remember, that's where we came out. There's also a cabin here, 6354. Midship elevators and stairs. 6356. 58, crew door, 60, 62, crew door, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, crew door, 80, 82, 84, 86, crew door, 88, 90, crew door, 92, 94, crew door, 96, 98, are you kidding me? Crew door, 400, 402, 404, 406, crew door, 408, come on people, 410, 412, rear elevators and stairs, crew door, 412, 14, crew door, 16, 20, and 18, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 448, crew door, 52, and 50. All the way in the back of the ship, 54, 456, 458, going odd, 489, crew door, 487, 85, 81, and 83 are in here. Okay, that is a crew door, 79, 77, 75, 73, 71, 69, 57, 65, 63, 61, 59, 57, 55, 53, 49, 51, 47, crew door, 45, 43, crew door, access to the rear elevators and stairs, 41, 39, 37, crew door, 35, 33, 31, crew door, and just a mess. 29, 27, crew door, 25, 23, 21, 19, 17, fire, 15, crew door, 41, crew door, 9,
411.
I said 41, it's 611, it's 411, 6411, sorry, my eyes, again. Crew door, 409, 407, 5, 3 into the 300s, 401, 399, 97, 95, 93, 91, crew door, 89, 87, freaking mess. There's another laundry. So if you want to get your laundry done here, washers and dryers, you can also do some ironing. It's $3.50 a load. That's where 385, 83, midship elevators and stairs are right there. It's cabin 6381. 63, 79, 77, 75, 73, 71, 69, 67, 65, 63, 61, 59, 57, 55, 53, 51, 49, 47, 45, 43, 41, 39, 37, 35, 333, 331, more food, 29, 27, really, 25, 23, 21, 19, 17, 15, 309, 285, crew door, 283, fire system, 281, 279, this does get you into the forward elevators and stairs, 277, crew door, 275, 273, 271. Here's also an entrance into the stairs and elevators. There's one right there as well. They have the doors closed back there just for noise. Okay. 269, 267. So 62, 67, and that is right where we started. So again, don't forget, if you saw your door or heard me call it out, do us a favor, leave a comment below and let us know when you're sailing here or in the Carnival Conquest. Until we see you again on one of the next decks or the next ship, be safe.